Two Crazy AI brings you today's curated AI industry news. StarCloud trained the first AI model in space, cutting energy costs by 10x. DeepSeek allegedly smuggled Nvidia's most advanced chips, escalating geopolitical tensions. Adobe put Photoshop free inside ChatGPT for 800 million users with natural language editing. Let's dive into today's developments.
History was made on November 2nd when Nvidia-backed StarCloud satellite became the first to train an AI model in outer space. The 60-kilogram StarCloud 1 satellite carries an Nvidia H100 GPU, delivering 100 times more computing power than any previous space-based system, successfully running Google's Gemma LLM and training NanoGPT using Shakespeare's complete works. But this isn't just about breaking records. StarCloud has solved Earth's data center energy crisis by tapping into unlimited solar power and using space vacuum for cooling, achieving 10 times lower energy costs and 10 times less carbon emissions. The company plans to build a massive 5-gigawatt orbital facility by 2026, spanning 4 kilometers wide. CEO Philip Johnston boldly predicts that within 10 years, nearly all new data centers will be built in space. The AI infrastructure revolution has literally launched into orbit.
A bombshell report from The Information reveals that DeepSeek, the Chinese AI startup that shocked the world in January with ultra-low-cost models, has been using thousands of smuggled Nvidia Blackwell chips. A bombshell report from The Information reveals that DeepSeek, the Chinese AI startup that shocked the world in January with ultra-low-cost models, has been using thousands of smuggled Nvidia Blackwell chips, America's most advanced AI semiconductors, explicitly banned from export to China. According to 6 sources, chips were smuggled through countries where they're legal, installed in data centers, then dismantled and secretly shipped to China. Nvidia calls the allegations far-fetched, but is investigating. This scandal highlights the high-stakes cat-and-mouse game in the global AI race. DeepSeek made headlines by building an open AI competitive model for just $5.6 million, a fraction of the typical $500 million cost, running 20 to 50 times cheaper at inference using innovative mixture of experts architecture. While Trump recently allowed older H200 chips into China, the Blackwell ban remains. The AI Cold War is heating up.
Adobe just made history by bringing Photoshop, Express, and Acrobat directly into ChatGPT, completely free for all 800 million ChatGPT users worldwide. Launched December 10th, this breakthrough integration lets anyone edit professional photos, create stunning designs, or manage PDFs simply by typing what they want. Say, Adobe Photoshop, blur this background, or Adobe Acrobat, merge these files, and ChatGPT instantly surfaces the tool and guides you through it. No software installation needed. Adobe's president, David Wadhwani, calls it a breakthrough. Hundreds of millions can now edit with Photoshop using their own words. The integration uses agentic AI and the Model Context Protocol to seamlessly bridge conversation and professional creation. This isn't just a partnership, it's the democratization of creativity itself. Professional tools that once required years to master are now accessible through natural language.
Google DeepMind just dropped a wake-up call for the AI industry. Their new FACS benchmark suite, built with Kaggle, reveals that even the world's most advanced language models hit a shocking factuality ceiling at 70% accuracy. The comprehensive benchmark tests 3,513 examples across 4 dimensions: internal knowledge, web search synthesis, image-based reasoning, and context grounding. December 2025 leaderboard results show Gemini 3 Pro leads at 68.8%, followed by GPT-5 at 61.8% and Claude 4.5 Opus, but none crack 70%. The multimodal benchmark exposed the weakest performance across all models. As LLMs increasingly become our primary information sources, this benchmark reveals we're still far from reliable AI. Kaggle manages the evaluation infrastructure with private test sets to prevent gaming. The race for factual AI has a new measuring stick.
Today's craziest question: DeepSeek used $5.6 million and smuggled chips to build an AI model with inference costs 50 times cheaper than OpenAI. Is this brilliant innovation breaking through blockades, or a rule-breaking unfair competition? Can US chip bans really stop China's AI development? What's your take? Drop it in the comments. Crazy AI. See you tomorrow for more crazy.